on YouTube as well. People say it's a better viewing experience there. So if you like YouTube more than TikTok for live streams, head on over to YouTube. Okay, we're climbing back. Hopefully we'll continue to climb back. I do believe, like I've said, that we have seen the bottom and that it's not going to go all that much lower or any lower. So Bitcoin to 40K, I'd say in August. I don't think July will close with 40K. Yeah, Sam, I think it's going up. I think we've seen the bottom. So, yes, sir. Oh, I forgot to announce on Twitter that I am live on TikTok and YouTube. Give me 1 second. Bitcoin is doing the right things right now. So, will it go down again? It certainly can, yeah. But listen, it will not have a weekly close. I'm convinced of this. It will not have a weekly close below $30,000 ever again. So why do I think it's heading up? You got to watch my most recent TikToks. I'm not going to explain right now. I made a huge series of TikToks on basically calling July 18th to 20th to be the bottom. And so we had these grayscale unlocks, and that injected some fear into the system, and we're past that now. So do I think ETH is better than Bitcoin? Not necessarily. It's like comparing apples to oranges. I like them both a lot. So, hey, Australia, the bulls are back. I hope so. Hope so. Ross, XLM strong. Yeah, held at 20 cents. So I'm better than Pablo. Guys, Pablo, you're going to see soon enough that he's wrong. That we're not going to 20K. We are not. So, yeah, Bull, Matic. Yeah, I'm a fan of Matic. And if we were to go to 20K, we would be back to 30K in a week. So I don't think Shiba will ever hit a penny. No, I don't. Yeah, they don't actually burn their cryptocurrency like SafeMoon. I understand thinking that SafeMoon could potentially one day go to a penny, but not Shiba Inu. No. So all right, I did just start. Hey, bro, is already past. We're going up. Yeah, Wang Wang, I think we're going up. Do I think we're going lower? I mean, yeah, we'll have times when we go lower, but like, I think we've reached the bottom. I think we have passed the bottom. What happens to Vet? Vet's going to go up. If you bought Vet at 5 cents, you'll be doing very well. Elias, what's up, man? Will Vet go down 3 cents? No. I'm certain. I'm not. I'm never going to say 100% sure on anything, but I'm quite certain that Vet's not going to go. Yeah, people cried for lower prices, now afraid to buy. Yeah, I would say start buying. Just my opinion. This is not financial advice. XLM due for breakout. Yeah, this is not financial advice, but it's time to start loading up again, in my opinion. July, I'm not expecting anything all that crazy for the rest of July. And August, I think, is going to be a good month. So, yeah, I think Theta is still going to 100. When you tell us when you buy, I'm pretty much maxed out, but keep buying, in my opinion. Where's Pablo still waiting for 20K Bitcoin? Yeah, he's going to be waiting for the rest of his life. So, bought ETH and now it went down. Should I sell them? No. Hold. Am I all in already? Pretty much, yeah. I mean, I'm going to add to my portfolio position every now and then. But train A travels north at 60 miles an hour. Train B south at 70. How far apart will they be 2 hours later? 260 miles apart. So Cardano smart contracts release when? I heard something about August. Something happened, but I'm not sure. If ETH and Bitcoin are different, explain why they have almost mirror charts. Because we're early, Blazing Saddles. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin ETH is following Bitcoin's lead, and one day that's not going to be the case. I bought in ETH and now it went down. Should I sell them? I already said no to that hold. Mr. Pablo Bear is missing in action. He said that this Elon Musk event was going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. And I wish I made a TikTok saying the opposite, because that's what I believed. And, well, looks like he was wrong. So I'm going to see something real quick. Did he make a video today? No, he made one yesterday. Let's see, Ledger or Trezor. I would say Trezor, yeah. ETH price in 10 years, 6 figures, but yeah, buy using DCA. Yep, Theta, bullish on Theta. Panic buy the dips. Yes, panic buy the dips. That's a good way to put it. So, we still bullish today. Robinhood, you're a tool. Yes, we're bullish. He's like my arch nemesis. Yeah. Yeah, Pablo. You can say that. I'm not going to say it, but I did say yeah. H-bar price next cycle, double digits maybe. So was there anything major said on the Elon debate last night? Missed it? No, there wasn't. That's why, and I didn't think there was going to be anything major said, and so I didn't watch it. I asked for some highlights, and people told me the big thing he said. He's like, I own Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin shot up and then went back down. We need a presidential type debate. We already had one. So should I buy more ETH than Bitcoin or equal? In general, I say equal. So, all right. Thanks, Robinhood. I was just kind of annoyed by your comment yesterday. Sorry for calling you a tool, I suppose. But I get really annoyed when people say this didn't age well or this isn't going to age well. It's like, please say something else. Just please say something other than that. Hey, what's up, Duke? You need to do a troll video of who could have predicted this. I have done that before. Yeah. Why is this Robinhood on most crypto lives? I don't know. I don't see him anywhere else. So, Crypto Husser. Disagree with you. Elon's stance raised the floor for Bitcoin. Yeah, all right, we can continue to disagree on that. I think it was due to be at this point. So, but fine. Yeah, that's fine. Elon owned Bitcoin, ETH, and Doge. Yep. Bitcoin really doesn't break 29K. It did for a little bit. Thanks, Robinhood. Always bounces back. Buying Cosmos and Hex long term. Okay. Maybe because you want to get rich. Hydra Chain, I don't know enough about it. So, do you see ETH going up substantially after the August 4th upgrade? Ken, I think it's going to cause ETH to go up in value more, but I'm not expecting it to happen like immediately after the August 4th upgrade. So, which 4 alts should I buy? Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. No, how about Ethereum, Chainlink, HBAR, and Solana? Matic's doing okay, yeah. Yeah, I know people with their different opinions on Hex. I'm not going to get into that. So, how are we doing in October? I think in October we're going to be looking very good. I still don't think we'll be at an all-time high in October, but we'll be up. My favorite DeFi coin, I don't really have a favorite. So, I have not bought a Ledger, no. I know the market is predictable, but what's your opinion on the time length of the rest of this cycle? Hey, check out my second most recent TikTok. I went in depth on that, and I mean, I can tell you, I think it's going to be early to mid-2022. Vet, very bullish on Vet. Digging quant, yeah, me too, man. Hesitant to even call ETH an alt at this point. Yeah, absolutely, I agree with you. Ethereum price October in the 3,000 range or something. I'm not worried about keeping my crypto on exchanges, no. So, what's up, Sam? Bitcoin price October 21st. How about 50,000? No XRP if they win the suit isn't a guaranteed 10x or more. I don't know about guaranteed. I would never use the word guaranteed for anything. But yeah, I should probably throw XRP in there. I'm becoming more of a believer. Maker's my favorite DeFi. No, I mean, I do like Maker a lot. So bought some DOT. Yeah, I think DOT's great, especially on Voyager with the 12% returns. What's up, 251? All right, bought some Shiba. I mean, buying anything right now, I'm going to say in general, is a good purchase. Even Shiba. So Band Protocol, don't really know enough. Hush on XRP today. I don't know. SafeMoon's going to be flat for a while. I mean, it'll go up as the rest of cryptos go up, but there's nothing that's going to be amazing about it. Matic, I love Matic. If Bitcoin goes up, when will you sell and what percentage? I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin for 20 years, at least. So, will you buy or do you already have a ledger? I'll probably buy one. ETH end of the year, like 5,000 or so. Chili's and SafeMoon. Don't know enough about Chili's. SafeMoon just answered that. How the heck do you buy XRP? You can buy it on Uphold. You could buy an XRP pegged token on Trust Wallet. And there's some other place I keep forgetting the other place you can buy it on. So, all right, let's see. I am buying Maker, Aave, and Compound weekly DCA. Yeah, VeChain in 4 to 5 years, double figures. Yeah, I mentioned good. Decent has a cool cold wallet. Okay, looking into ETH long term, most holding. Great call. Yeah, will SafeMoon make a move in the near future? I don't think so. I'm thinking that ETH may make ground on Bitcoin after August 4th launch. I think so. I think it's just going to be slowly, but not like overnight. So XRP prediction, like $10, $8 to $10. I mean, just bought 10 quant. Excellent. Yeah. Is now a buying opportunity or play with a waiting game? I think now is a buying opportunity. Lee John, will we see 1,800 ETH again? I don't think so. No. Can you give me a prediction for XRP? I already did that. Okay, when? Sorry, it's hard enough. It's hard to keep up. So, I am live on YouTube. So I am able to answer every question on YouTube. Hop on over World War Bitcoin on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. All right, when it comes to picking between DOT, Link, and Solana, I find myself picking Link and Solana. I agree with that. Yeah, my seed. I'm a 1 seed. All right, don't buy Ledger. Yeah, maybe buy a Trezor. Bought my ETH 2 days ago, and yesterday I thought if I get it under 2K, it's a steal. Yeah. Is Doge dead? No, it's dormant, though. Jimmy Smith and the group from Port Orange, Florida are listening. Okay, Jimmy Smith, what's up, man? Is Quant the real deal, you think? Yes. KuCoin for XRP, yeah. Still negative from the past couple months. I'm in like 6 coins. If you hold on, you will do well. I am invested in Algorand, yes. Please stop spamming the prediction for XRP. I said $8 to $10 this cycle. All right, Chili's. Oh, yeah, okay, I've seen those sports coins. It's really interesting. Finally own an ETH. Awesome, man. I know you don't like either, but if you'd say one has more potential, which SafeMoon or SHIB, I'd say SafeMoon. Have I talked about ETH? In general, I'm just bullish on ETH, you know. Algorand price in 5 years, I don't know, $20. Do you have a time frame for XRP? No, when the SEC suit is over, I will think about it more. So, all right, Jesus wants you to stop shilling SafeMoon. How are you so bullish before year end? It sounds great, but what's a stimulus or catalyst? Oh man, what's a stimulus or catalyst? It's it's really small. It's small. It is a small shift, and I'm not going to talk more about that because I'm having a hard time keeping up with these comments. But all it takes is like a 5% increase in buying power, and we're going to look a lot different. And people are accumulating now. I mean, there's so many things. There's so many things I could say to you, OC Peter. So, yeah, sorry if I'm missing comments here. YouTube, are you bullish on ETH, Bitcoin, and ADA moving forward? Yeah, of course, all of them. All right. Yeah, I talked about ETH. What do you think Elon is going to say next? There's diminishing returns with his comments. So you can buy Solana on Coinbase. Why do you like Solana so much? It's superior to Ethereum, and it's a competitor. It's not going to be an Ethereum killer, and Cardano's not either, but there's no comparison between the two. So, and it's early, so the amount of X returns I think is going to be good. Quant will be a six-figure coin. Sam Sandu says that. So okay. Sorry, I'm going back down to the bottom of the chat here. So if you missed it, good time to buy a whole Bitcoin. I think so. Yeah. Rototech, thank you. Is America Solana thoughts? I love Solana. Or Quant thoughts? Quant's a beast. Is America working on a coin? Whatever America does with cryptocurrencies, they will do it poorly. So baby Doge to the moon. All right. Has Quant been through a bear market or anything? I have no idea, Tuska. I'm curious about that. If it shoots up like parabolic, like crazy, like something we've never seen before, then yeah, we'll have a bear market. Is a non-coin a scam? I don't know. It sounds like a scam. XRP Classic? I didn't know there was an XRP Classic. Both of those, Ethereum Max is trash. So when do you think this current downturn will be over? I'm new to crypto. I think we have seen the bottom. Check out all my most recent TikToks. I think we have seen the bottom. So huge support at 31K. Yeah, 30K, 31K. Good time to DCA, or do you think we're hitting a new dip? I don't think I think we have seen the bottom. So if it does go down, I don't think it's going to go down below 30,000 again. How would you spread 100 pounds a week into crypto? Most of that in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin going downwind, not for a while. I don't believe in the Wyckoff stuff. You could put a Wyckoff chart over anything, but we'll see. What's my biggest hold? Probably Ethereum right now, Robinhood. How long do you think it'll take for trash coins to get lost? They're never going to fully get lost. Plenty of them will die. I think SafeMoon and Shiba are at a point right now where they're going to exist 5 and 10 years from now, believe it or not. When do you think ETH2 will be up and running? 2022 sometime is the last I heard. So SafeMoon to the moon. I do think it'll go higher. I don't think we've seen the all-time high forever for SafeMoon. So what crypto is good short term? I don't really do that very much, young broke boy. And given your name, I would encourage you not to do that. How about you become a young rich boy by not doing short-term bets? Solana price prediction for 2025, where ETH is now. So Wyckoff Spring, zoom out. Okay. What do you think about XLM? I love XLM. Very, very excited about it. And I think the floor is at 20 cents. It has proven itself at 20 cents. It got to 19.99 cents and then bounced off of that. Solid floor at 20 cents. Any thoughts on NFTs? I'm not a huge fan, not really paying attention to it. What's up, Nicholas Baxter? Sorry, I almost said bastard. My bad. Nicholas Baxter, what's up, man? Does Bitcoin top out at the same time as the rest of the market, or is it Bitcoin first, then alts? It's Bitcoin first, and then after that, it's alts. Look at what happened in April and May. Bitcoin topped on April 14th, I think, and then alts topped out a month later. So, yeah, don't short ETH again. Yep. Crypto is a long-term gain, minimum 5 years. Yep. AMP is at a good buying time. Yes. AMP. Cardano or Chainlink? Chainlink. What's Cardano? Like in its current existence right now, what is Cardano? Thoughts on a market price reaction after Taproot? I haven't really thought about that. I think just Bitcoin's going to do what it's going to do, and Taproot's not going to have much of an effect on that. So take money from Bitcoin and ETH when they top, move to alts. Mitchell, if you want to try to do that, if you want to try to time that, maybe. No, ETH is so in this regard, ETH is an alt. ETH will peak about a month after Bitcoin. So take money from Bitcoin if you want to do. I'm not going to mess around with that. Yes, Nicholas, remember, only invest we can afford to lose. T-King, not paying attention to it. Think Cardano will ever come out with smart contracts? Yeah, they will. But yeah, they do keep pushing the date further back. XDC, I saw an interesting video, a comparison between XDC and XRP, and functionally it is superior, and it's at a ridiculous price. It's a great price. So yeah, I would recommend buying XDC. Should I keep holding Litecoin? Yes. Hold, and I would say even for coins that I'm not a huge fan of Litecoin, but holding right now, the name of the game is hold, and even I would say buy. Now's the time to buy. Do you still believe in crypto? Of course. Dent prediction, I don't really have one. It's not on my radar, sorry. Do you still see slight potential of weekly closing under 30K? No, I see zero potential of a weekly closing under 30K. That's like my big thing. That's my thesis statement, is that we will never see Bitcoin close under 30K on a weekly candle. XLM, I love XLM, so yeah, very, very bullish on it. I think now is a great time to buy. Although, man, XLM's really green today. Let me check the price right now. So yesterday, 2 days ago, was an amazing time to buy. 26 cents. Man, I should have bought some XLM. I knew it. Do you think Pi will ever be worth anything? Yes. They're doing Pi transactions in Cambodia right now, and I fully expect that to spread throughout the world. Is the SEC going to go after Ether next? I don't think so. I think that they're going to have a hard time going after anyone after this XRP suit is over. Cryptocurrencies are not securities, and that's being established right now. I still don't have money in Bitcoin. I have everything else we talk about, but I don't like Bitcoin. You're lost, man. And that's no offense. I'm down with you, Jack. Bitcoin... Bitcoin is already super volatile, and it's like it is the most sure thing out of any crypto. And I know people are going to say it's antiquated and stuff like that. It will always be a digital store of value, always. So Luna prediction, I don't have one, but up. Easily past maybe 3 times its all-time high. Will you hold XLM or rebuy in the bear market? I'll rehold it. I don't have a prediction on AMP, sorry. Yeah, XLM can go up to 30 cents today, maybe. Is Neo a good investment? I don't know. What's good mindset now? ETH, Solana, Link, Polkadot, Crow, XLM, and anything Theta less than 450. I mean, all of those, all of the above. Not sure. Council of 5. Bought some, worked out well. Hey, E. Davidson, what's up, man? Can you mine Pi on iPhone? I think you can. I have an Android. Is Neo a good investment? Already answered that. Yep. Use E. Davidson's referral code for Pi. XLM had surprise growth. Maybe surprise, yeah. XLM, can it go down? Not below 20 cents. Is the crash over? I believe so. Anything about Wise tokens? No. Yeah, Bitcoin is king. Some rumors of a 19K Bitcoin support. Satori. Listen, I like if Bitcoin were to go to 19K, it would only happen within the span of a week, and then it would close at 30K. I will sell my car and buy Bitcoin at 19K. Maybe I'm being a little dramatic. But the reason why people say that is because when we shot beyond 20K in December, we shot so fast, it took like a week to get to 30K. So they're saying that there's no support between 20 and 30K. If it got below 28.8K or something like that, or 28.2K, then it would just crash all the way down to 19K. That's not happening, in my opinion. So XLM, Ethereum Classic prediction, it'll pass its all-time high, maybe 2x its all-time high, something like that. Is it worth putting money into Bitcoin, 50 pounds a month? Absolutely, yes. Any thought on HBAR? It's a long-term hold for me, long-term, yeah. Aave is an interesting DeFi project. I like it. Don't have any price predictions, but you'll do well if you buy Aave. Thoughts on XRP Ripple? I've been talking a lot about XRP. Very bullish on it after this SEC suit is over. So I get that you still like ETH, XRP, Link, Solana, and HBAR. What's the question? Oh, you still feel like that. Yeah. Tezos, don't know enough. SEC going after ICP. I mean, if there's one that they're going to go after, I wouldn't complain about that. Wish I had enough money for it. You could buy fractions of it, man. I know you know that, Jack. All right, do you have a video with recommendations for a new cryptocurrency investor? Not really, but if you're new, my recommendation is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just add to that and then consume as much content as possible. HBAR prediction, $2 or so. 19K Bitcoin is only is the end of the world. I don't think so. I don't think it will, but it's possible. Hey, what's up, Crypto Comagon? Come again. Can Dogecoin reach 30 cents by the end of the month? End of the month, I don't think so. In August, I do. Yeah. Where's Doge right now? It's at 19.2 cents. Yeah, not right now. Crash is happening since last month. It's going sideways and hitting potholes. Oh, man. I think it's over. I think the worst is behind us, and I'm going to stick with that. So, yeah, I already answered the question about Dogecoin. I don't think it's going to hit 30 cents by the end of the month. Oh, no. Oh, come on. I need to refresh my page. The chat froze. Give me a second. My bad. You're bad about what? You didn't do anything wrong. XLM bullish trend over. I mean, my number one rule is don't chase a green candle, and XLM is the biggest green candle today. So be careful with that. MTBC thoughts. I don't know what that is. All right, give me a second. Let me see if I can get caught up here. All right, sorry. Oh, my Voyager code, Jacob Central Coast. Yeah, Voyager is my favorite platform. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. So, yeah, I already answered about Aave. I like it. That's all I'll say since I already answered. Would 100 pounds a month not better serve alts or give better returns than Bitcoin and Ethereum? Yeah, alts would do better returns, but also you're not going to be able to time that peak, which is why I say buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. Matic was the biggest green yesterday. Yeah, and where's Matic today? It's still green. That's good. Kind of a silly question, but it is my biggest decision right now. Okay. Thank you for that confetti. Plus you get more in terms of buy alts. I don't know what you're saying. Yeah, Voyager's good. Doge by the end of the cycle, like around $1. Everything would crash before I got paid this Friday. Yep. Too late. But I still think now's a good time to buy. Entry point for Doge. Man, how about none? But yeah, now. I'm not going to answer about Cardano. My chat froze. I'm looking at the chat on my computer, and so I had to go back down to the bottom. I am bullish in general on Cardano. I think August is going to be a very good month. I think it's holding well. I don't think that the returns are going to be all that amazing. Yeah, my code for Voyager, again, A as in Apple, L as in Larry, E as in Elephant, 749. ALE749. Dot at a good buy price. Yeah, I definitely think so. I'm afraid to miss XRP on Coinbase launch. Coinbase effect will 4x off the RIP SMH. Not only Coinbase, but other platforms as well. Yeah, once it's available to buy again in the United States, I think it's going to go higher. Yeah. XRP, I think, is still a good move. Yeah. Considering selling Poly for ETH. If you have no ETH, yeah, sell some Polygon. But otherwise, why? I think that, if you don't have ETH, sell some Polygon. You got to get in on ETH. If some stocks I own could only ever 2x, should I just sell and get that cash over to crypto? How about no? I'm gonna say no, Jack. The time for you to have done that would have been like late 2019 and early 2020, or like throughout 2020, early mid 2020. Now I would say just hold on to your stocks. Crypto Peepo thinks it's going to 20s again. It could, but it won't have a weekly close in the 20s. You're welcome. Thoughts on staking coins like Matic and Vet? Stake it. Yeah, I'm huge in favor of staking. Yeah. DD, don't know a ton. Do I like Rary? A little that I know, yes. Entry point for Shiba. It's like, what's the price point? 0.00000. I don't know. Now is probably a good time, in my opinion, for entry points. So, see you later, Robinhood. Chainlink price this December like $60. Do you like Polygon or ADA more? Polygon. Hold Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, Link, Cake, Vet. Anything else I should buy? Maybe XRP if you can get some. Let's see. I'm a bag holder. That's hilarious. I will always be a bag holder. I'm holding for a long time. So let me think here. Link, Cake, Vet. Maybe H-bar. R, Pirate Chain. It's fine. Yeah, and Dot. There we go. Crypto Hustler. Do we need Bitcoin to recover fully, as it seems all crypto trade lockstep behind Bitcoin? Yes, we need Bitcoin to get back above its 200-day moving average before we can expect any kind of reasonable pump in altcoins. Crypto is a joke. Oh, no. OPS on Pablo's predictions. What's OPS? As in he was wrong, because he certainly was. You must have recently got into quant, right? Because 1 or 2 months ago, didn't think it was in my top 10. Yeah, Mitchell, that's absolutely right. People were telling me to look into quant, and I looked in, and I'm like, yes, quant. SafeMoon's going to be flat for a while. It'll go up with the rest of the cryptos, but I don't think anything extraordinary is going to happen. You can get XRP on Uphold and KuCoin. How would you invest 5K right now? Still Bitcoin and Ethereum, and maybe some other things. Oh yeah, add quant. That person who asked about, there's another one to add. What about Doge? Again, same as SafeMoon. I don't think there's going to be anything extraordinary happening with Doge. It'll go up with the rest of the market. Yes, I like HNT. I'm very eager to get my hands on a helium miner. So Pablo said Bitcoin will go below 25K. What can you say about it? Pablo He-Man. Here's my deal. I'm probably the closest thing to Pablo Skeletor on this platform, and so I strongly disagree with him. Let's see. Hey guys, say goodbye to Gimfo. Bye Gimfo. Bye Gimfo. Okay, what's Shiba gonna do? Not much. Polkadot ended this cycle like $200 or so. What is the 200-day average? The average price of Bitcoin over the last 200 days. Price predictions for September correction. I mean, I think August is going to be a good month, and then September, yeah, there will be a dip, but not a huge one. So, has my Bitcoin end of the year prediction changed after the recent movements? It depends on what you're asking, Denny, but good to see you again. I've been saying $80,000, and I still think 80,000. Yeah, I hope XRP relists it soon as well. I have not kept up on Elongate. I'm not interested in it, but look into SXP. You're gonna have to remind me like 100 times. So, would you recommend selling any HBAR of the cycle, or better just hold it and keep adding? Sell some. 200-day moving average is about $44,000 right now. So, VeChain. Sorry, boss. Oh, Nicholas. I mean, I'll give you the bat signal sometime later on. VeChain end of year like 35 cents or so. You're welcome, Chris Fleck SRT. Honestly, I'm just focused on Bitcoin and ETH. Yep. Me too. I mean, really, I'm focused on Bitcoin. Everything else is just gravy. So, do you buy XRP using USDT? Platforms selling XRP don't have America on it. How do you sign up? I'm not sure I understand your question. Check out Uphold or KuCoin, and you can see. Everyone asking for price predictions, just look at the charts. There we go. CLGD, don't know enough. RID, Doge, and SHIB for quant, yes. ETH volume almost more than Bitcoin, yeah. Pablo is using external factors from an economic point of view. He makes sense. He does. He uses that. So here's the thing. Pablo is a jack of all trades and a master of none. He knows more than me about a whole lot of things, but I know Bitcoin more than him. And I will argue that. I will tell him that. And I know when he's wrong, okay? I mean, whatever. For the most part. I'm not going to say every time. So, let's see. He said Bitcoin would move sideways for a day or two. Okay. What do you think BNB can reach by Christmas, holding it as my holiday money? A little bit beyond its all-time high, so like 800, 900, something like that. All right, YouTube. Guys, I am live on YouTube. Hop on over there for a better viewing experience. I invested a few ETH coins, planning to hold now. Would it be a good idea to start looking into other smaller cryptos or keep adding bits to ETH and Bitcoin? Jose, definitely expand a little bit now that you have your positions solidified. Yeah. So, all right, came in a bit late. Chris Scotty, did you already share your views with Elon, Kathy, Jack discussion? All I've said is, it's pretty much a non-event. So, and go downs as the whales ain't bought in yet. So, okay. My strategy for taking profits. When I see things shoot up like crazy, I will be taking major profits. So, 80,000, 10,000 variance is acceptable. Nice to hear. Okay. Can't buy quant on Binance. The only place I know you can buy it is on Coinbase. I'm sure there's other places. So, Would you rather buy one quant worth 70 or $70 worth of ETH, and why? $70 worth of ETH. And that's a scary thing. I mean, why not buy just $35 worth of both? But ETH is more established. Who knows? Maybe there's some things. I don't know. I'd rather do the safer one. Quant will likely outperform ETH, but I'd rather play it a little safer. So, all right, you can't buy XRP. I don't know then. What's up, Specialist? Buy Dogecoin. Buy something else, but it's fine. BNB. I love BNB. All right. Let's see. World War Bitcoin and YouTube. Yes, Chris. Yep. You can't sign up on KuCoin because they ask what country you're from, and America is not listed. Okay. Well, other people told me KuCoin. I have answered Uphold before, so I know you can buy it on Uphold. What do you think about Bitcoin daily RSI downtrend? Mr. No-Go, I haven't paid attention to that at all, so I don't know. You know? Where can you buy Theta in the US? Bitmart. You're welcome, user 403. You can buy XRP on Uphold. Just did it yesterday. Okay, there we go. When will you stop buying? Because people buy the dip and bought before the dip as well. I don't know. I pretty much stopped buying. So short-term market predictions. I think Bitcoin will pretty easily get back to 35K over the next week. After that, I'm not making any predictions yet. So makes sense that Bitcoin would go lower as whales are not in yet. What's your take on that? Why would they not be in? You know? And if it does go lower, if we see the 20s again, my thesis is that we will never see a weekly close below $30,000. So is there a point where you stop buying Bitcoin and ETH and other altcoins bull run? I'm pretty much there, Mitchell. I'm ready to just, like, my bags are packed, you know. Best place to buy XRP, Uphold. Does Bitcoin will form U-trend now support strong at 32 grand? 30 grand, 31 grand, around this area. Ether price in December, I'm thinking like 5,000. Quant over ETH, have to do my research. No, I did not say quant over ETH, Jose. But, you know, I think it could outperform ETH, but I think a lot of things will outperform ETH on the way up. All right. Do you think Bit and ETH will ever flip positions? I think it's possible. I'm not sure, though. Do you see the 100K ETH based on the news expected to drop this year? 100K? I haven't said anything about that. Yeah, I own some Litecoin. Yeah. EOS is not on my radar on that all that much. So what amount is considered a bag? I don't know. It could be as low as $1, I suppose. What will outperform ETH? Most alts will outperform ETH on the way up, but they will also outperform ETH on the way down. I have heard of VRA, poor man's Theta, but it's still going to be good. Trias, I don't know. So hey, what's up, K Danica? We were asking a couple months ago if ETH would go lower than 2.2K. I said impossible. Okay, yeah, I probably did say that, so my bad. When do you think, bro, ETH will start to overtake Bitcoin? It's at 0.07. I mean, we'll see with something like you know, with EIP 1559. I don't know enough about BPro, but I don't know. Maybe never. Maybe 4 or 5 years from now. So, Litecoin price this December. Oh man, 400. I'm totally guessing on all this, by the way. On that, like, prices by December, I'm guessing on that. Any recent update? Nothing new aside from the things that I've talked about on my TikTok. So, my top 8, XRP, HBAR Quant, Link, Solana, Matic, XLM1. Interesting. So no Bitcoin or Ethereum. I mean, those are all fine. Any thoughts on XLM? I love XLM. Yeah, I've answered a lot of questions about that. So you're welcome, JPZBs. It is tiring, yes. Do you think Ethereum will crash around 1,200 in the coming days or weeks? I don't think so, no. So let's see. What would be a good exit price of the cycle for ETH? It just depends on the movement. You know, if you see it going parabolic, exit exit some. I'm not going to exit all my ETH or even most of it. So next time Pablo goes live, join him, please. I mean, we did go live together once. I think that he's not going to want to go live with me with Bitcoin over $30,000. So, price prediction for Link this year end. All right, again, I'm just going to throw out a guess. $60. Lowest you think ETH will go? I don't know, 1950. How about that? I really, really think that we have passed the bottom. That's the thing I'm going to say. So I'm not going to give much lower than 1950 or something like that. Silver Stonks. Yeah, he was talking over me a lot. Yeah. And next time I'm not going to let him do that if there is a next time. Yeah, hodl till March, April 2022. Yeah, I would say so. You should add to your screen Doge prediction because that's all they ask. Yeah. Check AXS. Almost overtakes Doge by volume in the past few months. Okay. I have checked into it. It looks interesting. In your experience, how long does crypto go parabolic? Check out my second most recent TikTok. I talk in depth about that. So, yeah, Pablo will not appear because Bitcoin will not drop. That's my opinion. What makes you believe we have reached the bottom? Sorry if you answered already. Jack, I've made a ton of TikToks about it. On July 7th, I think it was, I made a video calling for a July 18th bottom. And then I revised that to the 18th to the 20th. We saw this scale of grayscale unlocks. And that's all over. It's pretty much over right now. I would say that the bulls have laid down pretty much, and up until the grayscale unlocks were over, and now they're going to start buying again. Do I own Aave? Yes, I do. Thank you so much, Lee John. Smash up that like button. Subscribe to the channel. If you're on TikTok, double tap the screen. Bull Run 5.0. Not sure what you're talking about. Where do I expect ETH to go? I've been saying $15,000 at the end of the cycle. So, would Pablo Escobar invest in crypto if he were alive right now? I don't know. Adding to your portfolio if the market starts a solid uptrend. What projects? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Solana, Quant, XRP, XLM. When's the next major grayscale unlock? Denny, it's pretty much over. I mean, literally over. Like, you know, this is from purchases in January. Sometime in February, Grayscale traded at a discount and started trading at a discount, and so people stayed away from it. For sure, I dig it. I'm buying some more today. Excellent. End of a cycle. What's an end of a cycle? F-ERF. Check out my second most recent TikTok. I go over that in depth. Very important to understand. When's a good time to buy ETH? Now, I would say so, yeah. How long is the cycle? Again, you got to check out my, like, this is I put a lot of work into that video. I know that TikToks usually, it doesn't seem like people would put a lot of work into stuff, but my second most recent TikTok and the most recent one I think is important too. So ETH, Matic, Cardano, Doge is my crypto portfolio. What are your thoughts? I mean, I would want some Bitcoin. I would want some Quant, some Solana, some XRP. But those are good. I like those for the most part. What's up, Sibo? So, when you say cycle, how long is that one? Check out my second most recent TikTok. And I hate to keep directing people to there, but it's like, dude, trust me, you will benefit from watching that. I think it's better to have less coins, otherwise returns get diminished, money spread thin. Yeah, I mean, I have 30 different cryptos, and you know, when things are pumping, it's really cool to see, like, okay, one thing's flat, but then another thing just pumps like crazy. So, Filecoin, Slant, I think I said Solana or Quant. Filecoin's not on my radar all that much, so yeah, Doge is going to come back, but it's going to be a while. Any idea on what a Matic next cycle price could be? What's its actual possible potential? No Matic. next cycle price. I mean, double digits easy. So, Doge going up again. Sure, yeah, it will. Yeah, Nicholas, I called it. Yep. All right, what you say about BTCST? I don't know what you're saying, Luco. What do you think Ethereum will be at the end of the month? Not much higher. 2,400 or so. Yes, hold on. Yes, sir. JZig. Yep. Hold on to what you got. Now is an awful time to sell. I saw somebody in another person's live stream saying, like, Bitcoin was at 29,000. And he's like, I'm panicking. I'm going to sell. I think it's going to go a lot lower. And then it bounced off of there. So, Telcoin, I don't own any. I don't know enough, but I am intrigued. There's somebody on Twitter who I follow who is a huge Telcoin bull, and so he thinks it's going to be life-changing. Let me look up his name again. I keep forgetting. His name is 360 in it. So 360 Trader, that's right. Yep. I really like him. So I take some cues from him. Oh man, it's getting hot in here. But don't worry, I'm going to keep my clothes on. Yeah, Axie Infinity. I really like the game coins. Mana, Axie Infinity. Yeah, he is great. Yep. So in Axie, looks like it's leveled off since that short squeeze. I think now Axie is a good one. 360 XOM looks good. Is that is that? Hey, what's up, King Kush? Good to see you again, man.